In today's video, I'm going to share a 3-step formula that I believe can help you build a faceless YouTube channel today. Now, I'm going to expand on this video. I'm going to go more in depth, and I'm going to show you proof of work in the coming weeks and months as I build a brand new faceless YouTube channel in parallel with building this channel, Clearmud, which has my face. So let's get it rolling. Now, prompt number 1 is going to be around finding a profitable and trending niche. Here's the prompt we're going to use to do so. Now, I'm going to go into ChatGPT. I am going to run deep research. And feel free to copy paste this. And we're going to let this do its research. Now, it is up to date here, which is great. AI tools and tech tutorials. The AI boom continues, fueling enormous interest. For example, searches for ChatGPT and related tools have surged exponentially. Google data shows ChatGPT for YouTube queries jumped 100 to 1.5 million monthly searches. Industry analysts note endless demand for how-to videos on ChatGPT, Midjourney, automation tools, and AI workflows. Tech and AI topics also attract high ad rates. For instance, tech reviews and software tutorials. Now, this is great. This is honestly, in addition to my interest and technical background, is why I've started this channel, but it is a great niche to target. Now, one idea that just popped in my head is literally just creating a GPT-focused channel and having one target niche, which are, I don't want to say average, but let's say middle class individuals, single, married, all of the above, how-tos in shorts format. I think that type of channel would kill. I'm sure that type of channel already exists. So I encourage you to do your research, find that channel, improve on it, use it as inspiration and improve on it. But getting as niche down as possible. Now, Clearmud's vision is a bit more grand. We're targeting entrepreneurs, we're targeting small to mid-sized companies, and we're targeting creatives. That's our focus, right? So if you're here, chances are you fall underneath one of those 3 pillars, so to speak. But this does give me some ideas on what to build live with you on this channel in the coming weeks and months. Now, personal finance and investing, money explained. This has been a high demand niche for many years now, and I think it will continue to be so. Health and wellness, senior focus, that's interesting. So targeting specifically seniors. I do love this, right? I don't love the possibility of a bad actor coming into play and taking advantage of seniors, because seniors are generally more gullible or easier to convince or easier to persuade or sell something to that they don't need. And the only reason I know this is my experience as an IT professional. The top bracket of people who were taken advantage of due to malware exploits were seniors. And I think that goes across pretty much any industry. They were just simply born in a different time and raised in a different era. And so I hope you're not a bad actor watching this. If you are, just click back and get out of this video. Would greatly appreciate that. So let's move on to prompt number 2. Now, I'm going, for the sake of this example, we're going to pick a GPT-focused AI faceless YouTube channel, because it's right up our alley and I like the idea. All right. Now, I'm going to just copy paste this, and I'll make sure these are in the bio below. I run a faceless YouTube channel about ChatGPT and tutorials for the middle class. Brainstorm 5 compelling video ideas that would attract my target audience. For each idea, give 1-sentence summary. Then pick the best idea from the list and create a detailed video outline for it. This outline should include an attention-grabbing intro, 3 to 5 main points or sections with informative details. And you can even mention an interesting fact or example for each point, and a strong conclusion that encourages viewers to like and subscribe. All right. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us here. Now, I really love this listicle format out of the gate, okay? And the reason is you can break this down into 10 short videos that link from one to the next, creating this kind of retention wheel of leaving the first video on a cliffhanger, causing them, and assuming you do a great job with creating this video. And look, it even mentioned the best pick in its opinion is the one that we're looking at here. And I love, one thing I didn't specify here was that this will be a shorts only YouTube channel. Now, it doesn't have to be. However, one thing I've learned is middle class, especially people who are working 9 to 5s, most of them don't want to pop up YouTube and watch a full-length clip, but they will scroll, and based off of their interest, YouTube should put it in front of the right eyes to see in that short form vertical format. Now, we do have 3 minutes to work with, so I think that's plenty of time. So get creative, but we're already 2/3 of the way there. Now let's go on to prompt number 3. Now, I have a video outline idea, and we're going to copy paste this prompt. Please write a complete YouTube video script based on this outline. Make the tone engaging, controversial, and informative, as if I'm speaking to the viewer. Start with a catchy hook in the intro to grab attention. Now, I'm going to stop myself here on this prompt. If you're already a storyteller and you have a different approach, define your approach before ChatGPT writes you the script. That way it writes it with your approach. It's going to give us a very surface level kind of response, and it will work for the most part, but the more you train your LLM, in this case we're using ChatGPT, the more effective the result or the output will be in your case. Now, start with a catchy hook, blah, blah, blah. Expand on each point with clear expectations, including interesting facts or examples to keep it concrete. End with a strong conclusion and a call to action, encouraging viewers to subscribe or comment. Aim for a script length of around 5 to 6 minutes when spoken, roughly 800 to 1,000 words. And let's see what it comes up with. Love it. No confusion. Okay, cool. What if I told you there's a tool? I'm not going to read through this whole thing. I want to keep this video, this first of this mini-series, as brief as possible and to garner interest in you, the viewer, of where you want to see me take this mini-series. Now, I will be building one in parallel with this, and I'm going to show you as much as I can without allowing you to just copy paste the idea. I want you to get creative, and I want you to pick something that's true to you, that you're not going to give up on, that you can keep making videos regardless of the view count. This spit out these ideas so quickly. I love it. And that's that. Let's be brief with this video. There are 3 prompts to get you started today on your very own Faceless YouTube channel. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me cover a particular topic for a particular niche, please let me know in the comments below who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue and create a custom tailored video just for you. So thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.